I'm Mike Maglieri, owner of the Rainbow Bar and Grill and the Whisky A Go-Go. The Whisky opened in 1964. Rainbow opened in 1972. Started off as the first night was Elton John's record release party, and it kind of became the hot spot from there on out. And every rock star and videos have been shot here, and people hang out here. And so, building was built in the 20s.
In the 20s?
Yeah. 1920s was the fish market. Then it turned into the Villanova, which is actually where Joe DiMaggio and Marilyn Monroe had their first date.
Right.
And then the Rainbow started in, like I said, it's 1972, and been here ever since. The amount of traffic, the amount of people being in here, and the amount of dust in the air, and obviously a lot of stuff on the walls, like, air quality was always an issue, and, you get some of that musty smell, or, it just doesn't feel as fresh, with the bad air quality, so it's always been something, and it's a very indoor space, it's like very confined environment, so, you notice when the air is not perfect.
Sure.
Yeah, I remember, before all the smoking bans, but you would come in this place and everybody was smoking cigarettes, and it was crazy, like you couldn't breathe in here for even when the place is emptied out in the middle of the night, there was just so when they outlawed smoking, so it kind of cleaned it up, but you still noticed all the, whatever in the air that just didn't, smell fresh or feel fresh,
Right.
It's very important, I think for the staff, so that they feel that they're in a safe environment and they're not breathing in things. Especially after this pandemic and the COVID and all this stuff, and it's very important. And for the guest, just there's nothing better than walking into a place and smelling fresh and nice and good, and you're like, wow, it smells clean in here. Places smell funny, you're not really excited to be there,
Yeah.
So it's nice to have a nice fresh, and I honestly noticed the difference right when you guys put them in, even when there was just the tester version in here, I would notice the air quality would smell and just feel better, so it is very important. I think a lot of customers don't realize how important it is, but they subconsciously know the difference, they know that it there's a difference, they just don't know what it is,